Hello viewers, welcome to Hash Inflow. In this video, you will learn about regex meta characters and special sequences. Before we proceed, if you are a beginner and have not checked my previous video, please check it out for basic understanding about regex, match and search. Now let's get started. Go to your file editor and create a Python file. Now let us list down the meta characters. Dot, cap, dollar, star, plus, question mark, curly braces, square braces, parenthesis, pipe and backslash, and also special sequences like slash d to match any decimal characters, 0 to 9, slash capital D to match any non-decimal non-digits, use cap, slash s to match any white space characters, say slash t, slash n, slash r, slash f and slash v, slash capital S to match non-white space characters, use cap, slash t, slash n, slash r, slash f and slash v, slash small w to match alphanumeric characters, say A to Z, 0 to 9 and capital A to Z, slash capital W to match non-alphanumeric characters, use cap, A to Z, 0 to 9 and capital A to Z. Now let us import regular expression module. Import RE. Create a statement variable is equal to RE dot compile, and within quotes let's start with meta character square braces, which is a character class where we can use individual list of characters like ABC or a range of characters. We'll see next. Matching object is equal to statement dot search A. If matching object is not none, print match found. Matching object dot group, else print match not found. Now open the terminal and run the file. Python demo4.py. So it says match found. If we use the character which is not in the list, say we have D. Now if we run the file, it shows match not found. We can also use a range of characters like A to Y and run the file. It says match found. If we change from D to Z, now match not found. We can also inverse this operation by using cap. Now you will see match was found. Now let's try with another special sequence character slash. Now let's try another example which has a backslash to search for. So we'll comment these two lines, create a new statement variable re sorry good slash known matching object re dot search, and we'll search for slash known on the statement. Now let's see what happens. It says match found, new line OON, but we need to consider this as a string. So we'll escape this new line. We'll also use escape character here. Now let's see what happens. Match not found. The reason is this is a Python string literal. This is a regular expressions literals. So here we have added a escape character for one slash, but here we have two backslashes for regular expression, and we need to add two backslashes for Python to understand this. Now let's see what happens. Match found slash known, but it looks more tricky, and we can simplify this by adding a R prefix. It says match found slash n. So thanks for watching Hash Include. Subscribe to our channel for more programming videos.